Welcome to the channel, your go-to source for financial culture content. Today, we dive into the remarkable and inspiring story of Hoosain Herneker, a retail trader who turned a modest $500 initial investment into a consistent daily income of $500 and eventually amassed millions. This in-depth documentary will explore Hoosain's journey, his strategic mindset, the specific techniques he employed, and the lessons that can be drawn from his success. We'll also delve into what he's doing now and how his legacy continues to influence the financial world. Early beginnings, humble origins, and the desire to succeed. Hoosain Herneker's journey began like many retail traders, with a burning desire to break free from the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job and achieve financial independence. Born and raised in a working-class family, Hoosain understood the value of money early on. His parents instilled in him a strong work ethic, but they also emphasized the importance of smart financial management. Despite their best efforts, the family often struggled to make ends meet, which fueled Hoosain's determination to create a better life for himself. After graduating from college with a degree in finance, Hoosain initially took a job as a financial analyst. Though the position offered a decent salary, Hoosain found himself disillusioned by the slow pace of career advancement and the lack of personal fulfillment. He began to explore alternative avenues for generating wealth, which led him to the world of retail trading. The $500. Start: a strategic approach to trading. Hoosain's entry into trading was cautious and calculated. He had saved $500, which he considered his initial capital, an amount he could afford to lose without devastating his financial situation. Unlike many new traders who dive in without a plan, Hoosain spent months researching the markets, reading books, and studying the strategies of successful traders. One of the first decisions Hoosain made was to focus on a single market, the foreign exchange, Forex, market. He was drawn to Forex because of its high liquidity, 24-hour trading opportunities, and the potential for significant returns even with a small initial investment. He understood that mastering one market would give him a strategic advantage, rather than spreading himself too thin across multiple asset classes. Hoosain's early trades were small and conservative. He focused on learning the mechanics of the market, understanding price movements, and getting a feel for market sentiment. He meticulously tracked his trades, analyzing what worked and what didn't. This disciplined approach allowed him to avoid the common pitfalls that many novice traders encounter, such as overtrading and emotional decision-making. Developing the incremental gain strategy. As Hoosain gained more experience, he developed what he called the incremental gain strategy. The core of this strategy was simple: focus on small, consistent gains rather than aiming for large, risky profits. Hoosain believed that by compounding these small gains over time, he could steadily grow his capital while minimizing risk. The incremental gain strategy involved a few key principles. Risk management. Hoosain never risked more than 1 to 2% of his capital on a single trade. This conservative approach ensured that even if he encountered a losing streak, his overall capital would remain intact. Technical analysis. Hoosain relied heavily on technical analysis, particularly moving averages and support resistance levels, to identify entry and exit points. He developed a keen eye for chart patterns and price trends, which allowed him to make informed decisions based on data rather than emotions. Discipline and patience. Hoosain's strategy required a high level of discipline. He meticulously followed his trading plan and avoided impulsive decisions. Patience was also crucial. He often waited for the perfect setup before entering a trade, even if it meant sitting on the sidelines for extended periods. Daily goals. Hoosain set daily profit targets, typically aiming to make $50 $100 per day in the beginning. Once he hit his target, he would stop trading for the day. This approach helped him avoid the temptation to chase losses or overtrade. The first big breakthrough. After several months of steady progress, Hoosain experienced his first major breakthrough. He identified a strong upward trend in the EUR-USD currency pair and decided to enter a long position. His analysis indicated that the trend was supported by positive economic data from the Eurozone, and he was confident that the pair would continue to rise. Over the next few days, the EUR-USD pair surged, and Hoosain's position became increasingly profitable. However, instead of closing the trade to lock in his gains, Hoosain decided to let it run. He used a trailing stop-loss order to protect his profits while allowing the trade to continue moving in his favor. The decision paid off. By the time he closed the trade, Hoosain had more than tripled his initial investment. This windfall provided him with the confidence and capital to scale up his trading activities. He began to increase his position sizes and set higher daily profit targets, eventually reaching his goal of making $500 per day, scaling up from daily gains to financial independence. With his newfound success, Hoosain continued to refine his strategy and scale up his trading activities. He began to diversify his portfolio, venturing into other markets such as commodities and indices, but always applying the same principles of risk management and discipline. As his capital grew, so did his profits. Hoosain's ability to consistently generate daily income from trading allowed him to gradually reduce his reliance on his day job. After 2 years of part-time trading, Hoosain finally made the decision to quit his job and become a full-time trader. This transition marked a significant turning point in Hoosain's life. Trading was no longer just a side hustle, it was his primary source of income. The pressure was higher, but so were the rewards. Hoosain's daily profits began to exceed $1,000, and he started to accumulate significant wealth. The power of compounding, turning thousands into millions. One of the key factors behind Hoosain's success was his understanding of the power of compounding. Rather than withdrawing his profits, Hoosain reinvested the majority of his earnings back into his trading account. This allowed him to take larger positions and generate even higher returns. For example, after reaching a balance of $10,000, Hoosain began to risk $100, $200 per trade, compared to the $5, $10 he risked when he started with $500. This incremental increase in position size, combined with his consistent winning trades, led to exponential growth in his trading account. Over time, Hoosain's account balance grew from thousands to tens of thousands, and eventually to millions. His disciplined approach and commitment to his strategy paid off, allowing him to achieve financial independence and live the life he had always dreamed of. Giving back, mentoring, and community building. Despite his success, Hoosain never forgot his humble beginnings. He understood how challenging the journey could be for new traders, and he wanted to give back to the community that had supported him. Hoosain began to mentor aspiring traders, sharing his strategies and insights through online forums, webinars, and social media. He also launched a trading community where members could learn from each other, share ideas, and receive guidance from experienced traders. This community quickly grew in popularity, attracting thousands of members from around the world. Hoosain's mentorship and community-building efforts had a profound impact on the trading world. Many of his students went on to achieve their own success, using the principles and strategies they learned from him. Hoosain's legacy extended far beyond his own trading achievements. He became a respected figure in the financial world, known for his generosity and commitment to helping others succeed. Challenges and setbacks. The reality of trading. While Hoosain's story is one of remarkable success, it wasn't without its challenges and setbacks. Like all traders, Hoosain faced periods of market volatility, unexpected losses, and emotional stress. However, what set him apart was his ability to learn from these experiences and adapt his strategies accordingly. For instance, during a particularly turbulent period in the Forex market, Hoosain experienced a series of losses that wiped out a significant portion of his gains. Instead of panicking or giving up, he took a step back and analyzed what went wrong. He realized that he had become overconfident and had deviated from his original strategy by taking on larger risks. Hoosain used this experience as a learning opportunity. He returned to his disciplined approach, reevaluated his risk management techniques, and adjusted his trading plan. This ability to adapt and learn from setbacks was crucial to his long-term success. Hoosain Herneker's legacy, a lasting impact on the trading world. Today, Hoosain Herneker is regarded as one of the most successful retail traders in the world. His journey from a $500 investment to millions in profits is a testament to the power of discipline, patience, and strategic thinking. But perhaps even more importantly, Hoosain's legacy lies in the impact he has had on the trading community. Through his mentorship, community-building efforts, and commitment to sharing knowledge, Hoosain has inspired countless traders to pursue their own financial goals. Many of his students have gone on to achieve remarkable success, and they credit Hoosain with providing the guidance and support they needed to succeed. His influence can be seen in the countless trading communities and educational resources that have sprung up in recent years, all of which aim to help traders achieve financial independence. Where is Hoosain Herneker now? As of today, Hoosain Herneker continues to trade and mentor others. He has diversified his investments into other areas, including real estate and technology startups, but his passion for trading remains as strong as ever. He continues to share his insights and strategies with the trading community, always looking for new ways to help.